My people, they say Okwuluora don't blow hot on the Southeast governors, traditional rulers, and the leaders in Southeast concerning Nnamdi Kanu coming Judgment Day, which is from now, I think is 6 days. My people, one thing that the Igbo leaders do not know is that the youth are very angry, and if in any way they allow this rain to fall on us, it's a history they will never forget. Even in their own grave, they will never forget it. Their children's, all the leaders in Southeast will never forget this day. This is not a joke or politics as usual, but this one is an event they will never forget in all their life, because everyone is very angry and we are watching closely. Let me also use the opportunity to tell that in time like this, I don't think that anybody can stop them when they start exercising their anger. So I can feel what Okwuluora is trying, the message is sending out there. So let us listen to what Okwuluora thought before we come back and continue. Stay tuned.
And the Igbo tribe, the Igbo state, the Igbo nation on a critical state at this point in time. And all of us, the Nigerian court was aga a verdict in Nnamdi Kanu on the 20th of November. And a lot of us are not worried. Well, particularly myself, I'm worried. That is why, but I have to do this broadcast. I want you to host a watch party. Copy the link to your friends on Twitter, on Instagram, or Messenger. Copy the link of this broadcast to every Igbo platform in America, in Germany, UK, in Japan, in Senegal, even here in Igbo land. Every Igbo man needs to listen and understand why I am doing this broadcast. It's going to cost you only 2 seconds or thereabout to share this video. Nnamdi Kanu has been detained by the authorities of Nigeria for years, and nobody's talking about it. Nnamdi Kanu is having a valid court order here in Nigeria, and the order says give Nnamdi Kanu bail, and a certain court in Kenya granted Nnamdi Kanu certain amount of money compensation because of what they call something rendition. Let me not say what I don't know, because I'm not a lawyer. I'm not a law student, and I don't practice law. So I'm going to limit this whole broadcast or story to the best of my knowledge. Nnamdi Kanu was accused of doing broadcast and all that. 1 month ago, we saw the same government of Nigeria negotiating with armed terrorists. You know what it means to be armed terrorist? And that is exactly why, more reason why President of the United States called Nigeria a disgraced country. You know what it means to categorize or to call the most populous, the most populated, the most talked about black nation or country a disgraced one? Coming from, after Jesus Christ, after God in heaven, the greater man, after Jesus Christ in heaven, it should be whoever that is the president of the United States of America. Ojukwu was in same scenario. Sometime during the war, Ojukwu had to flee from Nigeria to Ivory Coast. And who fled to Buai? Then president of Ivory Coast gave Ojukwu shelter. Ojukwu na Yakubu Gowon no Rogo. Ojukwu na Ivory Coast. Yakubu Gowon no Nigeria. Oliver the Coke wait here gusi. No onye nwanne ya no n'ụzọ. N'ife olili ada akụ ya. N'ụra ada atụ ya. Osike Kabitan Bo Chukwu Yesi on Ivory Coast. Yakubu Gowon Ubonye betray. Yakubu Gowon was the man who went against the Aburi Accord. Osino onye nwanne ya no n'ụzọ. N'ifo riri ada akụ ya, n'ụra ada atụ ya. Shehu Shagari was the president of Nigeria. Alex Ekwueme of Oko was the vice president. Ndi Igbo ji wee biri. Sam Mbakwe, then governor of Imo State. Governor of Anambra State, Jim Ifeanyi Chukwumobodo. Somebody like Kemafia, Chubo Kadibo. Somebody like Nwafo Rizo, Akwekonwe Rizo, Nakozina Igbo Rizo, Igwe Newi. Somebody like Izuchukwu Transport. Somebody like Ekenedi Chukwu. Stephen Edumude. Asike ihe na-eme, Agbale Sekwueme, Asi Abata, ni Ife Abaro, ni Ikemba on Ivory Coast. On exile for 12 years. Ndị Igbo bịa together, eje meeting, Yoba Shagaribiko, a negotiate here, Ojukwu return to Igbo land. He said something. He made it categorically clear. Ojukwu si na onye ọkụkọ ya nọ n'ukwu osisi, ọkacha oke ọkpa na-eso nwunye ọkụkọ ana. Ojukwu sọ bụ na ọkụkọ gị nọ n'ukwu osisi, gị ka jie ya okwu tobe ya ụnọ. Ihe obi n'ụbọ, akụluo ụnọ. Ndị Igbo bịa develop unu bụ unu. Ọ na-eme oke ọkụkọ so nwunye ọkụkọ pụọ, o sori ya larụ, nwunye ọkụkọ pụọ n'ụtụtụ, oke ọkụkọ sori ya pụọ, before you know it, onye nwe oke ọkụkọ chọba ya achọ. I watch him birthday, I like him Nwa Tinubu so much. I don't tribalistic. I only tell you the facts and figures. Nwa Tinubu, Sheyi Tinubu. I'm from Sheyi Tinubu as a very simple guy. A guy named pride. Even though now they project here to be the next governor of Lagos State, son of the president, commander-in-chief of the armed forces, son of Senator Remi Tinubu. Sheyi Tinubu can you come here? Sheyi Tinubu was to birthday, yeah? All Igbo big boys. All of them went to the birthday party of Sheyi Tinubu. None of them told Sheyi Tinubu about Nnamdi Kanu. Governor of Ebonyi State, Governor Boni Yangu Bonye APC, Governor Tinubu from all accounts. I have never seen Governor Tinubu before. Manandini na Tinubu mekogoriye, say na Tinubu de reliable, no the worthy, no kwagim kwa no gemi fa no gemi ya. Governor Boni Yangu Bonye APC, Governor Hope Uzodimma, Governor Hope Uzodimma Bonye APC, Governor Charles Soludo is almost in APC. We don't know the situation of Governor of Abia State, Alex Oti. Deputy Speaker, House of Rep, Right Honorable Benjamin Kanu Boni on Abia State. Honorable Benjamin Kanu Ibo on Abia State. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu Boni Abia State. If I let you tell me game with Ndi Igwe na Igbo, Ogane natural Igwe, Ogane organic Igwe, Igwe was in Igwe certificate. Honor Obama Miri na Igbo. Na governor pụta, local government chairman pụta, Igwe kwụrụ ọtọ, aha arụ ka ọ bụ na Igbo. Ọ na-echeta m Eze Awọkọ, Eze Joe, Igwe Nzam, Igwe Jesi Emeka of Ụmụ Ezanam, Igwe Orizu na Nnewi, Igwe Nata na Ogbu. Igwe Chuna bụ na Ọkụzọ. I don't know where we go from here. The current governor of Enugu State by APC, Governor Peter Mba, and you know, when Peter Mba performed well, I tell you, when Peter Mba performed poorly, I tell you, my relationship and personal love for Peter Mba cannot be. It's not negotiable. I have utmost respect for Governor of Enugu State, Governor Barrister Peter Mba. Peter Mba by APC. I know why Peter Mba by APC. I see now connect Yandi Igbo and then Enugu to the center. Governor Peter Mba is now in APC. Governor Peter Mba, with all due respect, I'm not Monday advice. I'm not in government. I'm not a politician. Governor Peter Mba, if you want to win the heart of Igbo people, go to Abuja. You are in Abuja. Governor Peter Mba of Enugu State. 95% of Igbo people want to see Nnamdi Kanu released. Nobody cares about your re-election. You are going to govern Enugu State for 8 years. Governor Peter Mba, after the other time with the Air Force. You were flying with Air Force on national assignments. Your son, your brother, is languishing in DSS custody in Abuja. Governor Simba, for the past 2 months in Enugu State, and when you find out, because our governor they negotiate APC, they negotiate APC, they are already planning for next election. Managua on America. Somebody should copy this message. Send it to the governor of Enugu State. He's my brother. I love him so much. And I have to tell him the truth. And may praise the Governor Peter Mba more for me. Peter Mba currently had a more for me. How many days can Peter Mba spend in Enugu State? Ask yourself, and where run around Enugu State in the last 2 months? Governor Peter Mba by APC. Nobody cares about that. Governor Peter Mba, you are a representative of Ndi Igbo. Enugu is the capital of Igbo land. Have you started to ask yourself, what about 20th of November? What if they sentence Nnamdi Kanu to death by hanging, or by firing squad, or life imprisonment? What are we going to do? He get make election in 2027. Governor of Enugu State, Governor of Anambra State, Hope Uzodimma, Alex Oti, Obonyangu Ifuru. All of you should cover your faces with shame. Aha bụ Okwuluora ndị Igbo. Ọ bụrụ na m agwara unu eziokwu, Chineke were ndụ m. I fear no human being. So onye na-atụ egwu bụ ekekere ụwa. Oliver Lukoku si na onye nwanne ya nọ n'ụzọ n'ụra ada atụ ya n'ihe oriri ada agụ ya. O si na eme nwata ka emere ibi ya obi dị ya mma. With all due respect, I'm going to mention names. Asari Dokubo, Government Tompolo, His Royal Majesty Ateketom, Amayanabo for Kereka. Somebody like Sunday Igbo. With all due respect, Amayanabo for Kereka. Igwe no Kereka Ateketom. Nde we go similar issues with federal government of Nigeria. Their people went to federal government and negotiated. Nobody in Igbo land want to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Nobody want to talk about the court judgment he obtained. Nobody want to talk about the compensation. Everybody want re-election. Governor Soludo, if you like, you govern Anambra for 50 years. One day, nature is going to retire you. Governor Peter Ndubi Simba, if you like, rule Enugu State for 50 years. Nature is going to retire you. And I tell you people one thing. One day, Igbo youths are going to rise against all of you. All of you are selfish. Governor Peter Ndubi Simba, you connected to the center. You connected to APC. What are the dividends? Nnamdi Kanu was called in Enugu, I think in 2019. When Governor Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi was there, they told Nnamdi Kanu to drop Biafra and make demands. He said, okay, before the conversation, make Onitsha a seaport, a proper seaport. Nnamdi Kanu said, make Iguacha a seaport, a proper seaport. Construct second Niger bridge. Make Enugu airport, an international airport. Is this too much to ask? Onye ọbụla nọ n'Enugu mana Peter Mbe biro si n'Enugu. I love Peter Mbe so much, mana adị m atụ ya egwu. Any day ntụrụ mmadụ ibe m egwu, Chineke were ndụ m. As na federal government nye our governor of Enugu State contract. EJ rehabilitate all the police facilities in Nigeria. Governor of Enugu State is now moving with the presidential air force. Governor of Enugu State. Is it not high time to take 1 minute and say, Mr. President, my people, Igbo people are clamoring. They are demanding. They want the unconditional release of Nnamdi Kanu. Is it too much? And I'm Enugu. Where if I run Enugu now? As of 6 months ago, Enugu was one of the fastest rising city or state in Africa. Everything is on hold because our governor moved to APC, and we were told that if you go to APC, everything is going to be easy. Governor Peter Ndubi Simba, where is your conscience? People of Enugu are lamenting. People are complaining. Soludo na Agboegu, a professor without dignity, a professor without integrity, a professor without shame. Governor Soludo doesn't behave like a professor. Onabasi na madu a professor, onwenu stays, onwe composure, or man how to talk. Governor Soludo of almighty Anambra State is turning into a stand-up comedian. Alex Oti, Nnamdi Kanu, by the virtue of state and origin, is from Abia State. Governor Hope Uzodimma, Abia ni Imo Bufiye, Aini Nebundi Igbo. Before 1970, in fact, as at 1976, there were only 2 Igbo states, Anambra or Enugu. Anambra ni Imo. Enugu and Abia were created in 1991. Ebonyi in 1996. Nnamdi Kanu, what are we going to do? Juo onwegi ka ebe Sunday Igbo hono, ka ebe Igwe atekamba wali no Igwe. Amayana for Krika. They had similar cases with Nnamdi Kanu. Their people came. Sometimes so about the personality. It's about pride. It's about identity. It's about the people. Every day, but Nnamdi Kanu na court. Emeya caricature. Or you know Fuakwa. For how many years? Our governor in Enugu is flying a presidential jet. Our governor in Enugu is dining with the president, commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Our governor in Enugu is more concerned about the election in 2027. If you win the election in 2027, it's remaining 4 years. Before you close your eyes and open it, 4 years will elapse. You are no longer the governor of Enugu State. With all due respect, Mr. Governor. Every day, no na Nnamdi Kanu. Nwonu nwoke, obugodi no nwu ọjọọ me. Let's assume no nwu ọjọọ me. In 1982, Stephen Edumude, Chubo Kadibo, Oliver the Coke, Dan Ubajaka, see any Lord Ibe, Ekenendowa, Deputy Governor of Anambra State. Ro you many, I'm Deputy Governor of Anambra State then. Alan Sekweme, Oliver the Coke, Nebe, Ndini Nachi Nigeria. Ekenendono, Nuna Meguyu Lugara Inankwa, Alahaji Galadima, Osi Ekenendia, President Shao Shagari. Akanachi Nigeria, who is going to be man enough to approach President of Nigeria and talk about Nnamdi Kanu? Governor Hope Uzodimma, Governor Peter Mba, shaman all of you. In my presence, none of you is fit. I remember when I was a little boy in Anambra State, the governor was Chinua Kembadinuju. Chinua Kembadinuju was everything. Chinua Kembadinuju was shamelessly buried last year. Look at the warlord. The only Ikembe when Igbo. On 6 feet. The Zeke of Africa. Zeke in 6 feet. As an Chineke. Governor Enugu State, I love him so much. But presently, Governor of Enugu State now committed blunder. A lot of indigenes of Enugu are crying for one reason or the other. If I don't say it, Chineke Warendum, dear Governor of Enugu State, how many days are you spending in Enugu? How many days are you spending outside of Enugu? You are taking up a national contract. Are there no competent people, engineers, contractors in Nigeria that is going to take up the contract of rehabilitating all the police institutions in Nigeria? Enugu Kanebakwa, and you are the man in charge, roaming around with private jets. Chineke Bomo spare word ever. You think you will remain the governor of Enugu, remain the governor of Anambra, remain the governor of Imo, if the judgment is in Nnamdi Kanu? As in Andi Bade, check if I want to check what? Obu na get Nnamdi Kanu ifa, or this successful. What if it comes your turn? Look at the capacity of Ike Ekweremadu. Ike Chukwu Ekweremadu, Deputy Senate President then. Look at the predicament on here. It tells you one thing. What do we do? On 20th, the court says we are going to rule on Nnamdi Kanu, and they told him to file a defense. He said, why would I file a defense? There is existing court order which Nigerian state refused to obey. Even under Buhari, that judgment came. Nigeria refused to adhere to a court ruling. Somebody had a court to near judgment. Nobody wants to adhere to court judgment or ruling. And you want to try such person, same person in the court. He said, I have no confidence in the court. Right Honorable Benjamin Kalu, Governor Peter Ndubisimba, Governor Bonyanwifuru, Governor Hope Uzodimma, Governor Alesoti, Governor Charles Soludo, the stand-up comedian. We are watching with keen interest. If anything goes wrong on 20th, Igbo people will never forgive all of you. Igbo people will never, ever forgive all of you. I don't know for how many years. I know the other month, or last month. Now, somewhere in northern Nigeria, Kafula nearest man, Burafo, Narianonu, they negotiate with Nigerian government. Managing Nnamdi Kanu, Makasi no Kuroku na radio. He said something on radio. Ejidia for how many years? When somebody they armed, government they negotiate with them. Thank you very much and God bless.
My people, when I don't see them, well, we are watching. Share this video, you get why. We are watching.